Hey guys, we just secured a little profit this morning, just $200. So this is the journey of how I'm going to trade my first fund. My first fund, you can see this I'm going to tell you guys how I'm going to go. So I've secured a little profit of $200 today. So now I've set a trap for another trade. As you know, this is my favorite price, GBP USD. So now I've set a pair. This on a 1 hour time frame, and I've set a sell trade here. Look at my entry. This is gonna be massive. This is gonna be massive. The take profit is at the previous support where there was a choppy market here. See? So I'm gonna give us a feedback of how this market goes. On my phone, on my charts, I've set the trade. This is the trade. I've set a sell stop. Set a sell order there. So look at the trade. So once it's triggered, we're gonna swim in profits. Wow. Nobody would have told me. Nobody told me, man. There was an high impact news on those two pairs I traded, which is GBP and then USD, a CPI news, which totally went against the trade, which totally went against the analysis. This is one of the mistakes that a lot of forex traders make. Always check this before entering the market. Always check. We got swept out of the trade. Always check. Out of the trade. This some minutes later after the trade was taken, got swept out of the trade. This is a mistake that one of the biggest mistakes that forex traders make. You ought to learn from your mistake. Want be very curious to know the reason why a particular trade did not go according to your calculation. So if you look at it, imagine we got swept out of the trade. Our stop loss was 8, and what happened? There was an high impact news. See, these are the two trades we took. This last one, $165 loss and $171 loss. So we got swept out of the trade. Our stop loss was 8. Mad. As you can see, our stop loss was 8. But mad, this trade is still going to be a strong sell. The stop loss was 8. Wow. So we are learning from this, obviously.